Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a good old power hour. I love doing these because, to be honest with you, sometimes I just don't feel like cleaning my house, but for some reason, if I can mentally just tell myself I'm going to set my timer for 1 hour and I'm just going to clean and that's it, I know at the end of the hour I'm going to feel so good. My house is going to be a lot more clean than it was when I started, and I'm just going to feel so much better. So I'm setting my timer for 1 hour. I'm just going to clean as much as I can, and then I'm going to be done, and that's going to be it for today. If you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Lizzy. I post lifestyle videos such as cleaning, organizational ideas, cooking recipes. I also post DIYs, fitness videos, and if you saw my recent video, I am pregnant. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can follow my journey of being a first-time mama. I am so excited, but I have so many good videos for you guys coming. You don't want to miss it. So hit that subscribe button, join my fam. I would love to have you. But without further ado, let's just get to cleaning. So today I'm just starting in my guest bedroom. For some reason, when my husband is gone, sometimes I like to sleep in this room rather than our room. I don't know why, it just makes me feel safer. It's weird, I know, but I like it. So I'm just going to go ahead and make the bed and pick up a little bit. Next, I am moving on to our spare bathroom, and I'm just going to go ahead and empty out the trash can and then clean up the counters and the cabinets a little bit. So I did pre-film this video before I left. I'm actually home in San Diego with my family and friends right now, visiting for a little bit. Anytime I leave for vacation, I like to always really deep clean my house before I leave. I don't know why, but there is something about coming home after a long vacation to a spick and span, sparkling home I just absolutely love. So I really like to make sure I just clean a ton and have my house looking beautiful before I leave.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright, they look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you
guys, that is going to be it for today's video. My hour is up. I feel like I got a decent amount done. Pretty much everything I needed to get done, minus vacuuming and finishing a few loads of laundry, so I will just go ahead and finish that up tomorrow. But I feel so much better. So if you guys are feeling unmotivated, don't feel like cleaning your house, just set your timer for an hour and push yourself. It's 1 hour out of your day and you're gonna feel so much better. So if you guys enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye guys.